Hey guys, I just wanted to show real quick how we're setting up a 6-month fully automated campaign. So in the past, if you had 3 phone numbers, of course they all have to be cell numbers, going to a particular one property address, all 3 of them were dumped into the same campaign. So that means that phone 1, 2, and 3 would receive the same voicemail at the same time. Well, what we want to do is to be able to break it out so that phone 1 receives a message, and then 1 week later, phone 2 receives a message, and phone 3. Well, in doing this, we created a 6-message system so it is set up one time and can roll out these ongoing messages. What's really cool about it is if these people ever call back, or when they call back, they'll be removed from the list so that you don't keep contacting the people. In the setup of the campaign, we then needed it so that we can add new properties or new people to the list, and of course remove any duplicates. So we added that feature in as well. Let me switch over and show you. So inside, we would just name a campaign and then the phone number that you want to ring. Basically, where you want it, whether it's live answer or going to your call rail, loop, press 1 to remove kind of stuff. You need an area code, and we allow 1 area code per campaign. Time zone you pick, and it's up to you to have the choice of to remove the DNCs or not, whether you can give us that data or not. We can scrub against it. And then you select how long you want to run the campaign. So we go actually up to a year, but 6 months is probably common. As everybody knows that absentee owners are nothing but landlords that have not had a problem yet. So anyway, uploaded phones, that means if you bring them into the system, that's the ones they'll use. And then from there, you select a message and assign it to which week you want them to go for. So these are all your recordeds. And we have a list of all the popular messages or some starters to give you an idea of what to say. I guess one other thing, we have in here, a lot of people wanted to just send to mobile phone numbers based on the data that they uploaded. We also had a customer that said he wanted to send RVM specifically to residential because they sometimes have converted over to voicemail. Anyway, that's the last thing we have. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out or check us out at liststackplus.com. Thanks.